deep breath in. And let it out. And let it out.
There it is. Yes, ma'am. There it is. Yes, ma'am. How was that?
That's so good.
Feels
There's
really
no pain with it.
No pain with it, right? Okay, perfect. Okay.
Oh.
Hey guys, Dr. Clerge, a DMV chiropractor, and I'm here today with Latasha. Am I saying it correctly?
Yes, Latasha.
Latasha, okay. So basically, you've never been to a chiropractor before,
Never been.
right? And basically, you just came in for, I mean, you have stiffness, ache, soreness, neck, upper, lower back, and you wanted to basically get treatment.
Correct.
Right? How long this has been going on?
For about 2
About
years.
2 years now? Okay. Any particular movements, aggravated or makes it worse?
Sometimes when I'm laying or sitting down a lot, or if I'm bending down a lot.
Bending, so that posture kind of.
Yeah, my posture still I'm sitting down.
Yeah. So we'll talk about that, like how you can actually improve your posture.
Always be like this, but I can't.
Right, because it's uncomfortable when you're trying to sit up. Right. Okay. So what we'll do today first, we'll examine you. We'll check your range of motion. I want to see how your movements are. Okay. Like if they're causing any restrictions and pain, soreness, and then we'll palpate the muscles to check for tightness, trigger points, that type of stuff. Okay.
Okay.
So typically the treatment is, first we'll stretch you, and then we'll do the adjustments, and after the adjustment, do the massage. Then after the massages, we'll do electrical muscle stimulation and then traction. So you'll probably be here for a good 90 minutes to 2 hours, okay?
Okay.
All right. So let's talk about your posture first. So just sit the way you normally sit for. Okay. All right. So for you to get that upright position, basically your muscles have to be strong enough to kind of put you in that position, right? So what you have to do, and what I tell my patients, is when they exercise, like if you go to the gym, you want to exercise the posterior muscles. Because if these muscles are weak and this is stronger, it tends to pull you forward. But if these muscles are strong, then it tends to pull you backward, okay? So exercises like exercising your traps, even shrugs, exercises for your lats, for your rhomboids. These are the type of exercises that you want to do so you can get that posture, okay? All right, so let's assess your range of motion. So let me have you stand up. Let's have you bend and try to touch both feet. Let me know how that feels. What do you feel with that?
It's like a lot of pain in the
Upper area, this area?
Like right there. Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay, let's have you come back up. All right. Now, let's have you put your arms to the side, and you're just going to rotate right, rotate left for me.
Right here.
Right here.
Right here.
I see. Okay. Now, let's have you go side to side.
Right here.
So tightness everywhere, huh? Okay. All right. Have a seat.
Okay.
All right. Get swift. All right. So I'm gonna move your hair out the way a little bit. No, you're fine. No, you're fine. You're fine. So now I want to check your head and neck range of motion. Okay. So let's have you look down for me. How's that?
It's okay.
That's okay. Let's have you extend. So you're going to look back and extend. How's that?
Where your hand is.
Where my hand is, you have a little bit of tightness there. Okay. We're going to have you go side to side, rotate from like this, side to side. So let's go to this side first. Rotate. How's that?
Same
thing.
Way both your hands.
Same thing. Okay. Now we're going to do this motion, this way and that way. Okay. So let's go ahead and go this to this side. Go tight. Okay. So tightness, stiffness with your range of motion, lower back, neck area. So what we're going to do first, we're going to stretch you out first, okay? After the stretches, then we'll start the adjustments.
So what I'm gonna do is you take a deep breath in and out. I'm gonna pull your arms back and it's gonna stretch you, okay? Deep breath in. Let it out. How did this feel good? How did this feel?
It's tight. I mean, it's okay.
Okay. You gonna do it again, deep breath in.
But I'm supposed to feel it, right? Like
Yeah.
now? Yeah.
It's not uncomfortable, is it?
No.
Oh, okay. Deep breath in. And let it out. Is this good?
Yeah, it's a little pain.
Okay. I'm gonna do it one more time.
Okay.
Deep breath in. Deep breath in. Let it out. Deep breath in. Straight. Deep breath in. Let it out. It's good. Okay. Do it one more time. Deep breath in. And let it out. How do you feel? Deep breath in. And let it out. You feel it? Okay. Deep breath in. And let it out. That's good. And let it out. That's good. You ready? Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in. And let it out. Just feel good. Do you feel it?
Here you go, that.
Take a deep breath in. And let it out. Okay. Deep breath in. And let it out. This feel better?
Yeah, I can feel it now.
Okay. And we're going to do it one more time. Take a deep breath in. And let it out. That's good. Okay. Stretch. It's going to stretch your hip flexors and your legs. Okay. I'm going to take this leg, put it right here on my shoulder. Okay? Ready? Okay. How does this feel? Okay. Big deep breath. Deep breath in. Let it out. Feels good. And let it out. And do it one more time. Deep breath in. And let it out. Deep breath in. And let it out. Deep breath in. And let it out. Time, deep breath in, and let it out. How did it feel? Okay. There's no see now. Okay.
All right. So how did it go with the stretches?
And we're good.
They were good. Were you tight? Or?
Yeah. Real tight.
All right. So I'll start with the lower back first, and then we'll work our way up. Okay. I'm gonna check your motion. I want to see what type of motion I'm working with. So I'm going to have you rotate to the right for me, your whole body. Okay, I see this as far as you get with that. Let's go to the other side. Rotate to the right again. Okay, so at this point, if you go a little bit more, it's uncomfortable. Okay, all right. Let's have you extend, go back. That's tight. Okay, let's do that again to this side. And extend and go back. That's tight. Okay. All right. Let's have you on your side. You're going to be facing this wall, okay? There you go. Just like that. Cross your arm like this. Good. I'm going to bring your body closer to me, okay? Just like that. Good. We're going to straighten this leg up. Good. And we're going to bend this leg. Good. I want you to just relax for me. I got to be able to twist you. All right. Keep your arms crossed like this. There you go. Good. All right. Deep breath. Let it out for me. One more time. Deep breath. Out. There it is. Okay, we got a little bit of it there. Let's go to the other side for me. Same scenario. I'm gonna put you this way here. And this time, you're just gonna cross your arms like this. And there you go. Relax, relax. There you go. Good, just like that. Now, this leg, you're gonna straighten this leg out. Good. We're going to bend this leg. All right? This time, I'm gonna reach in like this. Good. You keep your arms locked, and then just grab. There you go, just like that. All right. Now, hold on a little tighter. Good. Take a deep breath for me. Let it out. Good, 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 good. Let's do that one more time. Deep breath. Out. Okay, got a little bit as well. Okay. All right, let's have you sit. We're going to adjust this portion right here. Okay, so both arms up. You're gonna interlock your fingers. Good. All right, now I'm going to bring you back. Okay, but you have to relax. Okay, just drop your whole body and just relax. There you go. Good. Take a deep breath for me. Let it out. Good, good, good. One more time. Deep breath. Out. One last time. One deep breath. Let it out. Relax your body for me. There it is. Yes, ma'am.
Lord.
How did that feel?
That felt good.
Felt pretty good?
Yeah.
Any pain with that?
No.
No. Okay. All right. So right in here. All right. So next adjustment we're going to do, we're going to focus on this area here. I'm going to have you stand up, and you're going to stand right at that spot. Perfect. Mm-hmm. You can actually move to this side for a little bit. Perfect. There you go. Yeah. Relax your body. So both arms are coming up. I'm going to reach in, okay? Let's spread your legs apart a little bit. Good. So I'm going to reach in like this. You're going to take both of your hands, put it on top of my hands. Go underneath your hair. Good. Interlock your fingers. Good. Good. Squeeze your elbows. I'm going to bring you back. Keep squeezing harder, 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 harder. There it is. Yes, ma'am. How was that?
That's so good.
That's
There's
really
no pain with it.
No pain with it, right?
Mm-mm.
Okay, perfect. Okay. So now have a seat.
This one?
Mm-hmm. All right. So the last adjustment, we addressed this portion. That one, we got this part right here. That's why you hear that sound.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So now we're focusing on going a little bit higher around this area. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to have you face down. You're going to be on your stomach. Okay. Yep. So for this one, I just want you to relax. Okay. So just relax for me. I'm targeting this portion here. Relax. Good. Relax, relax, relax your head. There it is. Yes, ma'am. How did that feel?
That feel good. No pain.
No pain. Okay, perfect. Okay. All right, so just relax for me. So for this one, you actually relaxed a little bit better than the last few ones. So what I want you to do is just kind of let your body go, okay? I'll do all the movements for you, all right? Relax, relax, relax. There it is. Yes, ma'am. Any pain? Okay, perfect. Let's have you come up.
Ooh.
How did that feel?
That feel good.
Not too bad? So just kind of like move your head and neck for me. Let me know how you feel with that.
I can move more.
Not too bad, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's bring both legs up. Drop them down. Good. All right. How you feeling right now?
I'm Okay.
Any areas of pain? Tightness? I know the low back's still tight.
Yeah.
Low back's still tight, right? Okay. For this one, I want you to relax, okay? You can cross your finger, like your fingers, put it on your belly. Good. I'm going to do a few pulls first, and then you let me know how it feels, okay?
Okay.
It shouldn't be painful, but you should feel the tension of me pulling, okay?
Okay.
All right. So, just gonna pull right here. How's that?
It's cool. It doesn't hurt.
Okay. But you feel the
But
tension.
I still feel it. Yeah. I
Yeah,
feel-
the tension
I
of me
feel-
pulling, right?
Mhm.
Okay, gotcha. All right, take a deep breath for me. Let it out. Good, 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 good. All right, so relax. Good. Take one big breath and out.
Oh.
That's
Oh.
fine.
Okay.
What did you feel with that one?
I felt that down here too.
All the way down. You heard the pipe pop all the way down.
Yeah.
Yeah, we heard it.
Okay.
So stay right there. I'm going to remove the foam. Okay. So let's take this off. Good. Let's have you come up. There you go. Good.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. So just move your head and neck around. for me. How does that feel?
It feels good.
Feels pretty good. Stand up for me. Just move around. Let me know how you feel overall.
Overall, I feel much better down here a little bit.
Yeah, okay, then when you first
'Cause I
came
can
in.
still, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And I feel myself up now. I'm not on like.
You know, right, yeah,
So,
yeah.
yeah,
So
I
you're
feel
more
that.
straight up, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
'Cause at first it was like this. I feel like I have to be like this.
Right. All right.
And I don't have to make myself be like this.
Mm-hmm.
It's just like that. Oh, yeah.
Not too bad?
Mm-hmm.
Let's have you bend for me. Let me know how that feels. Let's see if you go further then. Okay, that's not too bad. You're touching your toes now.
Okay.
That's pretty good. Rotate right, rotate left. Not bad.
Mm.
This is the part that you're really gonna like. We're going to do massages, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna massage up here, 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 and then especially that lower part, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Just a minute. You can relax it. Just relax. Relax. How was that? So good. Mm-hmm. Got too much pressure? How was that?
That feels good.
Too much pressure? How is that?
That's what it is. Yeah.
I'm trying to push it out. I'm thankful here. How does that feel?
That body feels like a brand new one.
Brand new body.
Yeah.
How did it feel?
It feels good.